Welcome to Innovent Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making crispy and flaky egg puff pastry. Beautifully layered pastry filled with spicy onion masala and soft boiled egg. This homemade snack is perfect for tea time, lunch boxes, or special evening cravings. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Add 1/3 cup water. Make dough. Rub some oil and keep aside. To make cornflour slurry, take 2 tablespoon ghee, 2 tablespoon cornflour. Mix well. And keep aside. Now in a pan, prepare the onion masala. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon oil, half cup onion, 2 green chillies, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin, 1 tablespoon water. Cook until onions soften. Fresh spices naturally enhance flavor. You can control oil and spice levels according to your preference. Add coriander leaves. Mix well and keep aside. Now divide the prepared dough into 5 equal portions. Roll the dough into long thin shape. Spread the ghee and cornflour slurry. Spread the slurry over the rolled dough. Roll it tightly. Roll again. Spread more slurry. Cornflour slurry helps create crispy layers. And roll once more to create flaky layers. Layered pastry creates the flaky puff texture. Cut and roll gently. Do not roll too hard after layering. Trim the edges neatly. Now place the cooked onion filling in the center. Cool the filling before stuffing. And half portion of boiled egg. Apply water at the edges. And fold as shown. Eggs provide protein and energy. Seal the edges properly before frying. Heat oil and fry in medium heated oil until beautifully golden brown and crispy. Homemade puff pastries can be made without an oven. Fry on medium heat for even crispiness. Homemade snacks are fresher and preservative free. Egg puffs are one of the most loved bakery snacks. Serve hot. Your crispy homemade egg puff pastry is ready. Serve hot with tea or sauce and enjoy the flaky texture. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innoven Cake and Cookies for more easy homemade recipes.